Today, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Tijan Montaño Dimafilis, 28 years old, married. I have one kid, 5 years old. My husband, ma'am, is a flock man, and I have three siblings, two sisters, and one brother, ma'am. I didn't graduate college, ma'am, because it's a financial problem, ma'am.
Okay, do you have work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
Yes, ma'am. In Hong Kong, 3 months and 15 days, but I have also experienced here in Philippines in 3 years, ma'am.
Okay, so and let's go back to Hong Kong. How many family members your employers in Hong Kong?
3, ma'am.
3. And how many are the kid?
1, ma'am.
What is the age of the kid?
1 year and 6 months, ma'am.
And what are your household chores?
Cooking, cleaning, ironing, and my employer do the market, ma'am.
Okay, how about laundry washing?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is doing the laundry washing?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, so and what is your priority among your household chores?
The baby, taking care of the baby, ma'am.
Okay, so and is there another helper in your employer household?
No, ma'am.
So it means you are the only one taking care of the kid and doing all the household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so and why is it that you work only for 3 months and more than 3 months in Hong Kong?
My employer, ma'am, lost her job, and couple, they decided to take care of their child, ma'am.
Okay, so how about in the Philippines? You did 3 years work experience as domestic helper in the Philippines. How
Yes.
many? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so and how many family members your employers?
5, ma'am.
And how many are the kids?
3, ma'am. 3 months old, 5 years old, and 10 years old.
Okay, so is there another helper in your employer household?
Yes, ma'am. 1.
Okay, so and what are your duties?
Cooking, taking care of the child, ironing, household chores also, ma'am.
Okay, so it means you are sharing doing the household chores.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
rest of the household chores. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so and how do you describe your employers? Are they good to you?
Yes, ma'am. They are good to me and nice and considerate people, ma'am.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I'm a hardworking, honesty, and trustworthy, ma'am.
Do you have a tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to save money for my child's future, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you can you sing a nursery song for baby or kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me example.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, thank you. Do you have a food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you okay if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you willing to share a room with the kids or elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist return home?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so and would you like to work with an employer who has many children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly also?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you have full consent of your family to work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please say a short message to your future employer.
To my mom, to my future employers, sir, ma'am, can you, if you choose me, I will be trustworthy, honesty, responsible helper, and I promise to serve you and your family, ma'am. Sir, thank you.
Okay, so and could you promise also to your future employer that you love their children like your own children?
Yes, ma'am.
And could you promise to serve their family with all your heart and with all
Yes.
your best?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a happy person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.